Front till training for hospitality. In this demo, I'll be showing you how to process transactions and orders, perform refunds, manage your table plans, and other action points throughout the front till. This demo will last approximately 20 minutes. First, let's look at the clock in, clock out function. This will enable you to track the hours the staff member is working or logged into the front till. To clock in at the beginning of their shift, select the Clock In Out button in the top left-hand corner, select the staff member, enter in their passcode, and select Clock In. A small pop-up appears at the top detailing the date and time that staff member has clocked in for their shift. You can reverse this process to clock out at the end of their shift. Select the Clock In Out button, select the member of staff, enter their passcode, and now select Clock Out. A small pop-up will appear detailing they have clocked out on a certain date and at what time. You can also find this information in your back office. Do check out our reporting demo. That will detail where to find this information. Now let's log into the till. Simply select the staff member, enter their passcode, and log in. At the beginning of every shift, you will be asked to enter in a float amount. Select Open Till, and we now appear on the main till screen, the top level. We can now show you how to perform transactions and orders. Transactions and tabs. There are two ways to perform transactions for your till. First, a standard transaction where the customer pays at the point of sale. The second, creating a tab for the customer to pay later. First, we'll show you how to create a transaction as a standard transaction where the customer pays at the point of sale. Simply select the products into the basket that the customer wishes to purchase. These will appear on the right-hand side in our basket. Select the Pay button in the bottom right-hand corner. And now we can enter the tender. Here we have cash, card, and back transfer as an example. If paying by cash, you can select the preset amounts, 5, 10, 20, or 21, or you can enter in the amount the customer pays. You will then select cash. This will show the amount of change due to the customer. And now we can select if the customer would like a receipt, an email receipt, both, or cancel if the customer does not want a receipt. That's a standard transaction. You can also create tabs. Select Table Plan in the top right-hand corner. Select the table the customer is maybe sitting at or the tab you wish to open. You can change the covers if you want to. And Open Table. Now we can select the products the customer would like. We can now press Order Layaway. This will send these orders to your selected order printing locations, maybe a kitchen for your chefs to cook the burgers, or maybe to the bar if this is a separate area. Once you press Order Layaway, the basket will disappear and you can continue to serve other customers. If the customer on that table would like to order more drinks, more food, or they would like to pay, simply select Table Plan. And now we can see that Table 1 is currently active. Select the table, and this will show the previously ordered products. If they would like to order more, select Take Order, Or if they are ready to pay, we can select Print Bill. Once the customer is ready, select Pay, and now you can process the transaction previously shown. You can also split by cover, selecting the amount of covers you want to split by, and you can also split by item. You can add additional tabs, and using the arrows, select which products are being paid on which tabs. Once you're happy, we can select the tender and pay. This will then print off the customer's receipts. And now we can select the second tab. You've now successfully completed 2 transactions, one as standard and one as a tab transaction. Refunds. There are many ways to process a refund through your till. Firstly, if the customer is present with their receipt, you can scan the receipt barcode using our barcode scanners. This will pull all of the items into the basket for you to select the refund reason and refund via their original tender. Alternatively, you can filter through your front till. Add the individual items into the basket that need to be refunded. Select the quantity to -1 and select the refund reason. You can apply to all to make this quicker. And now the pay button changes to refund. You would process a refund using the same tender as the purchase. If they paid with cash, refund with cash. Select your refund tender, and this will now print 2 receipts, one for yourself and one for the customer. You can also check your completed orders for any refunds. To do this, select the Orders tab and select Completed Orders. You can now filter through the date and time, the staff member that processed the transaction, check the tender and the total. Select the correct transaction and now select Refund. Again, you can delete out any items that do not need to be refunded. Select Refund. And again, process with the original tender type. This will again print out 2 receipts, one for yourself and one for the customer. We've now completed refunds. Discounts. There are 2 types of discounts, an item discount and a basket discount. To process an item discount, select the product in your basket and select the discount button. Here we have some discount reasons. This may be wastage, damaged products, or a general discount. Select your reason, and now we can select what type of discount we want to apply. Discount by percentage, discount by amount, set a brand new price altogether, or discount by 10%. This has been set as default in our back office. However, you can change it. We're going to process a 25% discount. Select discount by percentage, enter the amount, and select Update. Once you're happy, Select Done. You can see now this has taken off that 25% on a single item. To process a full basket discount, we can go to Pay, select the Discount tab, and it's the same process. Select your reason, select which type of discount, enter the amount or the percentage, and select Update and Done. Miscellaneous products. Within your business, you may sell single items that maybe aren't on your menu. For example, you may sell a glass of milk. That isn't actually a product you sell, but you'd like to take payment for it. You can add these using the Miscellaneous Product tab. Select the tab and select the plus button. You can enter in the product name, select any tax breakdowns, and enter in the price. Once added, this will now appear in your basket. It is worth noting that with miscellaneous products, you cannot adjust the quantity and you cannot track stock for these, as these are items normally you would not sell. We've now successfully added a miscellaneous product. Bill printing. Your business may require payment at the end of service. You will be able to print a bill for the customer for them to then pay at the end of their meal, for example. Firstly, select the table and process your transaction as you normally would, adding items into the basket and selecting Order Layaway to be sent to your kitchen or bar printing points. When the customer is ready to pay, select the table and now select Print Bill. Remember, this is not a transactional receipt and only details the price to pay. Once your customer is happy, you can process the payment as normal. No sale and petty cash. No sale gives you the ability to open your cash drawer without processing a transaction. For example, you may need additional change. You may have keys stored in your till, or you may have lost property stored there. To open your cash drawer without processing a transaction, select the No Sale Action button. Select your reason, and this will open your cash drawer. Petty cash are small purchases for your business. For example, you may have storeroom essentials to purchase, stationery. You may have a window cleaner. To process a petty cash transaction, select the Petty Cash Action button, enter in your reason, enter the amount you are taking from your till, and select OK. This will print a small receipt for your records. When we come to cash the till up at the end of the day, your petty cash reasons will be detailed. These come out of your float amount. So you'll have a full record when closing your till. Float adjustments. You may wish to deposit or withdraw an amount of cash to or from your float. You can deposit if you don't have enough cash in your till to cover change. You can also withdraw if you wish to bank earlier on in the day or for security reasons. To deposit or withdraw an amount to your float, scroll to select the Adjust Float Action button. Type in the amount you wish to deposit or withdraw. This will print a receipt for your records, and your withdrawal or deposit will also show on your cashing up screen. We'll show you how to cash up your till now. End of day. This process allows you to cash up your till, to check any variances, print an end of day report, and close your till ready for a new trading day. To complete this process, navigate to the three lines in the top left-hand corner. Select Admin and Close Till. Let's break down some of the information we see. Along the top bar, we have some tabs: Summary, Sales, Refunds, Void, Tax, or Credit. If we select Sales, this breaks down all of our wet and dry products. The sales by product breakdown, employees and category. We can also see any refunds and any voided items out of the basket, tax information, and any customer credit. Let's go back to summary. In the top right-hand corner, we have a total variance. This includes your float, your cash takings, and card takings. Also any other tenders that you may have. The goal for closing your till is to get our total variance to 0 and green. We have a cash up box. We have a list of tenders, cash, card and card integration, the expected amount and total variance. We do have a blank space for counted. We need to enter these figures in. We also have a space for our float information, detailing the opening balance. Here is £50. Any withdrawn or deposited cash, here £50 has been deposited. Any petty cash reasons, and a closing balance. In our till, there should still be £100 for our float. Firstly, we need to count every last penny that's in our till. To do this, you can select the Open Cash Drawer tab. Under Cash, the till is expecting there to be £52 in takings and an additional £100 for our float. We enter that figure in as 152. Select Done. Now we can enter our card information. You will do an end of day through your card machine and enter the correct figure here. Here our total variance is now 0 and green. It can be known for your till to be slightly up or slightly down. This may be for a petty cash reason that has not gone through the till, or simply over or under changed a customer. You can see, however, cash has a variance of 100 and is red. There's no need to worry. This is because we have made our float accountable for. Once you're happy with this information, or if your till is slightly down or up, you can add notes. I'll add a note, for example. We can now select the Print and Close button. This will now print your end of day report with your breakdowns and ask you to confirm you would like to close the till. Once this is closed, your sales data will still be stored in reporting, but now will refresh for a brand new day and ask you to enter your float for the next person who logs into the till. If you can confirm you would like to close the till, select Close. You've now completely closed your till. That brings us to the end of our hospitality front till demo. Don't forget, if you are a new business with us, you have access to your implementation manager for any further questions. For our existing customers, you also have access to our support lines. Thank you for watching.